Manchester United icon Ferguson managed Solskjaer as a player, helping forge the Norwegian's path into management. Solskjaer has had a sensational impact since being named as Mourinho's interim replacement back in December, winning 11 of his first 13 matches at the Old Trafford helm. Despite that, Express Sport understands the Red Devils are holding fire when it comes to naming their next boss. Solskjaer is the favourite for the job, having steered United to fourth in the Premier League table despite them being 11 points adrift at the time of his appointment. Tottenham manager Mauricio Pochettino, meanwhile, has his admirers in the boardroom. And so too does Juventus' Massimiliano Allegri, who has worked wonders over in Serie A ever since landing the job in 2014. But the Sun say that Solskjaer has Ferguson's full backing to be United's next manager. It is also said that Ed Woodward is ready to give the 45-year-old the keys to Old Trafford at the end of the season. Meanwhile, United hero Paul Scholes also backed Solskjaer to land the United job. "I'd have no issues whatsoever with Solskjaer getting the job," the former England international told the Daily Mail. "I know people will start to question because he's lost a game, but that was PSG. That could happen to the most experienced manager in the world because PSG are a top team. I think for what he's done so far he definitely deserves a chance. I always knew there was talent in that squad. I think everyone did. Ole has come in with a smile on his face, put his arm around the players there, so much talent in that team. He's given them freedom and you've seen the results. United are next in action against Chelsea on Monday night, 7:30 p.m. The two teams played out a 2-2 draw when they met at Stamford Bridge earlier this season.